So now today we are going to that's in English genitive. Particle. Genitive particles. It's like S and off. In Tibetan is a delta. Genitive particle in Tibetan, delta. You repeat after me, delta. Delta means, connected. Da is sound actually. The particle is the sound of connect each other, yeah. So now there is a ta, pa, sa, right? Ka, nga, na, ma, ra, la. These all are suffix, right? Suffix, and then the particle is ki, ki, ki. Here, let's see. Okay. So this is the particle now. Ki, 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 yi, yi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 particle here. Okay. And how to use this particle now? So this ki, kayata, kya, kiku, ki is always goes the suffix last letter like ta, pa, sa. For example, yours, kayata, right? K means you, right? K means you. But here now, your book, let's say we say your book, right? Your book. And then how to use this, because this suffix is here, right? Suffix ta, so you can use ki here. This particle, ke, ki, and your book, teb. Ke kitab means your book. Ke kitab re, or you can say ke kitab re. Yeah? Ke ki tab re. Okay, I will give you one first. Yeah? Kong, right? Here, Kong. The suffix letter is nga. So here you can see nga. So here, what you have to use, the particle you have to use. You have to use ki, right? Particle ki. Kong ki. Kong ki. Kongi what? Kongi. Sorry. Kongi chokse. Kongi chokse, his table. Kongi chokse. Okay. And then here, na, ma, ra, la. Whatever this comes at the end of this, your subject, or then your particle will be this ki. Let's say Jin, the name of person, let's say Jintar. Thar means here now you have to put a particle after the thar, right? Jintar is the name of person. Jintar and ki. Jintar ki Khangba. Jintar ki Khangba. Yeah. Jintar is the name of person. Jintar ki Khangba. Jintar is house. And let's say Mo is what? Mo is her, right? Mo is her. Mo is she, her. It can be her also. Mo, there's no, you can see mo, there's no suffix, right? There's no suffix. So without suffix, what we have to use? You have to use either this one or this one. So why this two? How to use this two? If you want to make a, sometimes we need a certain number of these syllables, so at that time, if we need more syllables, so you have to this more, and then you can use the next one, yi. Moi, her, moi, let's say moi what? Moi, ngul. Oh, ngul la ngul. Harmony, right? Moi ngul. But if you don't want to make more syllable, you want to make shorter, then say mo, and then you can add this one without dot here, without dot, and you just add mui, mui mul, mui mul, like that. Okay, so this what shows, it shows the connections, it's the connected you and your belonging, you and your belonging, and you and your possess your things, and he or she, whatever subject is connected with the their, how to say, their things. So Jelva means that, to connect it. Keiki tape. Yeah. Here it can be your name also. The subject could be anything. You and yours, your name, whatever, For example, here, like now I have to say my room, right? Nye. If I want to make it shorter, then I would like write that nye. Yeah, without suffix. Nye. Nye. Kang. Nye kangmik. Nye kangmik is my room. Nye kangmik. Yeah. Here, this sa, if you want to make this first one, then let's say the name of person, Tuto. Tu is a Tibetan name. Tuto. The last suffix is sa, right? So we have to go here because what is the sa? You have to go ki and ki. Tutop ki restaurant. Sakang and re, you can say whatever. Tutop ki sakang re. Let's say this is this one, right? This is Tutop's restaurant. The Tutop ki sakang re. Yeah. Okay. So the idea, the formula, you understand, right? So now you have to make more and more, how to say, sentence, and you will understand. This is not that difficult. If you have understand the genitive particle of ki, there's a 5 particle you have to keep in mind. Ki, ki, yi. Okay, this 5 is the particle. And when and how to how I use that particle. This particle you have to use accordingly the suffix. If the suffix comes ta, pa, sa, always ki. The particle always goes ki. Actually, meaning is same. Meaning is not changed. The particles are changed, but the meaning is same. They are actually showing. If you say di tutup ki sakang re, if you don't put it here, ki, because according to the grammar, you have to put here ki, right? Because of the suffix sa. But if you don't put and you say ki, tutup ki sakang re, people will understand. When you talk, it doesn't make any that much different sense, okay? But when you write, you have to write accordingly, because this is the rule of this suffix. So when you talk, you can say di tutup ki sakang re. Can you different the sound? No. Di tutup ki sakang re, di tutup ki sakang re doesn't make that big sounds. All are actually showing very same meaning, okay? But the rules is like that. Ta, pa, sa, always ki. Ka, nga. Suffix ka, nga, always ki. Na, ma, ra, la. Always brings ki. Kaya, da, kya, ki. Actually, same sound, yeah? Ki, ki. Not different. But when you write, you have to write. Let's say if I write like this, Jintar ki kangpa. Sounds good, okay. But when you write, grammatically, you have to write like that, ki, okay? And this is the yi. Without suffix, it's up to you. If you want to make a long letter, because if you dot here, then the syllables become more, 1, 2, 3 syllables here. But if you write without this dot, 1 and 2 syllables here. It depends on how much you want that syllable. You want more syllable or you want less syllable. It depends on you. It doesn't make that big difference. Okay, so you know the rule. Now you have to make a more and more, how to say, sentences. The subject could be any name or these, that, they, and the plural of na, kerang, so, and then you can, subject could be a lama, tapa, rinpoche, let's say rinpoche, right? Rinpoche, there's no suffix. Rinpoche, pecha, Rinpoche, Kangpa, Rinpoche, Tangka, let's say like that, yeah. Omze, right? Actually, we sounds like a omze, but it's a uze, huh? I also that. This is the, when we colloquial we say omze, but this is the uze. Now it's a ta, right? Yeah, ta. So we have to ki. Onze ki what? Onze ki tengwa. Teng. Part of the turning with teng. Tengwa means mala. Onze ki mala. Omzes mala, right? Omzes mala. The mala of Omzes mala. So like that, you can make a more and more sentence, and you will understand this, the rule, formula. Okay, any questions?